Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 volume control not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the start menu, right click on a task manager. Open Task Manager, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Here is a Windows Explorer, select it and click on Restart. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and after doing this step, run the playing audio. Click on run it. Click yes, open to audio enhancement and make sure that disable all sound effects. Click on OK. Close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type as services, open services, find out a Windows audio, open it and make sure that it's selected automatic. Click on apply and OK button and restart.